Hey there. Is your Cash App card locked and you're not sure how to regain access? Don't worry. In this step-by-step guide, we'll walk you through how to fix locked Cash App card so you can start making transactions smoothly again. Whether it's a temporary security block or an error, unlocking your Cash App card is often straightforward. Step 1. Check for notifications. The first thing you should do is check your Cash App notifications. Often, Cash App sends alerts when actions like locking or freezing a card occur. Open the Cash App and check both in-app notifications and any emails or texts you might have missed from Cash App. These notifications may contain specific instructions on why your card is locked and how to resolve the issue. Step 2. Verify your account. Another step in how to fix locked Cash App card is account verification. If your account is not fully verified, Cash App may lock your card to protect against unauthorized transactions. To verify your account, open Cash App, go to your profile settings, and follow the instructions for identity verification. You'll likely need to provide a government-issued ID and some personal information. Completing this step can often lead to an automatic unlocking of your card. Step 3. Contact Cash App support. If your card is still locked after following initial steps, it's time to contact Cash App support. Within the app, navigate to the profile icon and scroll down to Cash Support. From there, you can either browse something else for common issues or reach out directly by explaining that your card is locked. Cash App support can provide specific details on why your card is locked and how long it might take to unlock it. Keep your account information handy as you may need to confirm details. Step 4. Update your app. Sometimes technical issues stem from using an outdated app version. Ensure your Cash App is updated to the latest version available in your device's app store. Updating can resolve bugs that might be contributing to the locked status of your Cash App card. Step 5. Review your transactions. Irregular transactions can sometimes lead to your card being locked as a security precaution. Review your recent transactions as any suspicious activity might have triggered the system to lock your card. If you notice any unauthorized transactions, report them immediately within the app. Addressing these could assist in unlocking your card swiftly. Step 6. Secure your account. To avoid future locks, ensure your account is secure. Use a strong, unique password. Enable two-factor authentication, and avoid sharing sensitive account information. Keeping your account secure is crucial in preventing unwanted disruptions like a locked Cash App card in the future. Unlocking your Cash App card doesn't have to be a daunting task. By following these straightforward steps, you can typically resolve the issue and regain full access. From checking notifications and verifying your account, to reaching out to support and ensuring the latest app version, each step is designed to address potential problems effectively. Remember, while it's frustrating to deal with a locked card, these measures are often in place to protect your financial security. By taking the right actions, you can quickly resume your financial activities with peace of mind. Ensure you follow security tips to keep your account protected and stay ahead of any potential issues. Happy transactions!